I gave you my heart.
Hey you guys, I'm back at it again, making another sewing machine wig, but this time I'm going to take my time. I'm confident, and I am going to do this. What I forgot to say was, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And today, I am going to be doing a wig made on the sewing machine. I've done previous wigs on the sewing machine before, but I said I'm not gonna do it anymore. But I decided let me tackle this. Now what you're seeing now is the closure. I ordered some hair from a company, and it's not sponsored, so I'm not gonna be giving no shout outs to the hair that I use because I ain't getting paid for it. But anyway, I ordered a 20-inch, a 18-inch, a 20, 18, and a 16, and a 14-inch 4x4 closure that all came together. And that's what you see me showing right now. And the hair looks super short, but when you stretch it out, it's actually true to length. So, yeah. And then they also sent me a letter saying that if I gave them a good review on the hair, then they would send me $20. First of all, if your hair is garbage, I'm just going to give a real review anyway. Second of all, if it's good, I'm going to give a good review. Point blank, period. That's it, and that's all. So, the reason you see me talking in the video and then you hear my voice right now is because the video was super, super long. And what I'm saying in this video, I'm saying right now, I have to speed it up because I wouldn't want to watch a video that was that long. But yeah, I said I was going to wait until the next day to do the wig, but I got anxious, you guys. I got anxious and I just wanted to do it right then and there. Right then and there. So that's what I did. Okay, what you see me doing right now is I am doubling the tracks, meaning I'm sewing 2 tracks together. And I have that in a zigzag stitch so that the tracks can be merged together. And I'm doing this because rather than sewing on 4 to 6 tracks of a certain length hair, I can sew the tracks together and it'll still give it that fullness that you want when you're sewing a wig. So that's what I'm doing right now. You can see I'm all over the place with my hand placement and everything with this doubling the tracks. So right now I'm doubling the 20-inch weft. And that's all I'm doing right now. And I might even go in and finish doubling all the rest of them. It all depends. And see, my thread keeps coming loose. Look at that. I get so frustrated. I don't know how many times yeah, let me take this gum out of my mouth because I'm just smacking in you guys' ear. I rethreaded the needle. I mean, I lightly smacked the sewing machine like it's really going to feel a smack. But it took away some of my frustration. Anyway, that's what I did. And now I'm pretty sure I changed the tension on it. And I was going to go the other way. And I said, no, I'll go this way. And I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see exactly what I was doing. Okay, I zoomed in. Hopefully that's a little bit better because it was a little bit far away. I think everybody that does the sewing machine wigs is challenging recording it because you need both your hands to be able to move around, and when the camera's right there, unless you have a cameraman right there to videotape everything, then it's difficult. Very difficult. Here goes that dang on needle again, you guys. Here it goes. Okay, I'm going to stop talking for a little hot minute so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm basically just doubling the tracks. Look, you guys, I'm going fast now. Ha ha! I was like, yeah, I got it now. I got it now. What? I can double some tracks. Hey, I can double some tracks. Hey. Let me not get too damn excited because I have a tendency to do that, and then the needle will break or the thread will come loose or I'm out of bobbing. Yeah, that part right there. Okay, now I'm sewing the first doubled up track on the cap, and you guys, I'm doing good. I'm acting like this is the first wig I've ever made in a sewing machine, and it's not, but it's actually the first one that I ever videotaped. And yeah, it's different when you make it and you don't record it. But when you're recording it and you're showing it to somebody, and you know everybody else out there is doing the sewing machine wigs, you leave yourself open for criticism. And I'm cool with criticism. Look, I ain't been doing wigs on the sewing machine forever. This is basically like my fourth or fifth one that I've made on the sewing machine, and they all came out pretty good. But for some reason, I decided to just go on and do this one and record it. I have shown wigs when they were finished, but I haven't showed me actually doing the sewing process. And I can say with me doing it, recording it, I felt like I took a little bit more time, and I wanted to make sure everything was as close to perfect as it can get. And I enjoyed it. Other than the thread coming loose and me needing to do a new bobbin. Look, you guys! I just showed you guys the first track. Oh my God, it was so pretty. And I'm mad. This hair is pretty decent too. This wig isn't even for me. It's for a client, and I know I'm gonna want it for myself because every time I do a wig, I always want it for myself. But I'm gonna go on and sew it. Go to the post office and mail it to Houston, Texas, y'all. Where's the Galveston, Texas? This is one of them Texas. I know it's in Texas. The address is in my phone. Look at y'all. Look like I'm just going so fast. That's because I sped up the video. I sped up the video. Sped a word. Speed it. I speed it up. No, I sped up the video. Okay, let me zoom in for you guys. Okay, you guys, what you guys see me doing now, I'm just doubling the tracks of the 18-inch, and I probably should have doubled everything all at once, but I got a little bit anxious, and I want to see what some of the hair would look like on the cap, so that's why I didn't double them all at once, but next time I will be sure to double them all at once, because I think that that'll save some time. It'll save a lot of time, actually. So what I'm going to do the next time I do a wig by the sewing machine, I'm going to time myself and also grade myself as to how neat the wig looks and how much time it took me to make it. That's what I'm going to do. So yeah, I'm still doubling the tracks. Okay, what I'm doing right now is sewing the either the 18 or the 16-inch bundles on, because I went on and I doubled all the tracks, the remaining bundles, and started sewing. So you guys would have to watch me sew the whole thing up in one bop. Yep, that's what I'm doing. And I can say I'm so pleased at how this wig is coming out. Like, super pleased. And I think I want it for myself. But since it's already spoken for, guess what? I can't keep it. It's already sold. So, you know what I gotta do? I gotta get that shmoney, y'all. I got to get that shmoney. You guys, I am getting my sew on. Yes, I am getting my sew on. It's almost done, you guys. It's almost done, 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 done. I see now I'm gonna have to get me a cameraman, because the anglage on this recording a wig made on the sewing machine is way different than doing it by hand, where you could just turn the tripod around and angle it. Man, next time I'll do better, you guys. See, that needle came unthreaded again. I have to be doing something wrong with the threading of the needle. Have to be. Y'all help me out. Let me know what I need to do so this stop happening. Because it's getting irritating, like real irritating. But I ain't gonna stop, y'all. Look at the curl pattern on that hair, you guys. It is so pretty. Oh my goodness. There go that dang on needle again, you guys. Again, I'm almost done. And why is this needle coming unthreaded like this? It's not going to frustrate me. I'm not going to let it get to me, you guys. I'm not going to. I can't. I won't. Now I'm really almost finished. I am sewing the closure on. And some people they sew the closure on first, but for me, I ain't that advanced yet. I did it once with the closure on first, and that hair just got in the way, so I said I will just do the closure after I sew all the tracks on the cap. Let me zoom in here so you guys can see this. Okay, when I sewed the closure on, the track that's already sewn on the cap, I'm going a little bit through that track and then I'm connecting it to the closure. It's not overlapping, it's connecting it to it. So I'm taking the needle through the hair that's sewed onto the track and then getting the little teensy edge of the closure, taking the needle through that and pulling it together. So it'll be seamless. And as you can see, it's seamless, y'all. It's seamless. This is going to be a gorgeous wig. And once I wet the hair up and let it dry overnight and all that stuff, I'll get to see how the hair is going to act. But guess what? I'm excited. I love the curl pattern. I know it's going to be even prettier when I wet it and then I let it dry a little bit and it poofs up. I'm excited. It's like a kid in a candy store. I'm so excited. Oh my God, you guys, look at that curl. Look at that curl. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, I am done. And I wet the hair. And of course, when you get the longer hair, it's going to look sparse on the ends. And I already know that I'm cutting it. So that's not going to be a factor in the wig. But that curl pattern is just awesome, you guys. Look at it. And the hair feels so, so good. I'm going to put a little bit of the Cantu leave-in conditioner on it because that always makes the hair stay a little bit more tamed, and it feels really good, and it's not heavy at all. It doesn't weigh the hair down. I like to get a little bit of the dampness out of the hair after I put the conditioner in, and I get ready to trim it or cut it or whatever I'm going to do to it, because I don't like to be juicy, you know, so I take a little bit of that dampness out of it. Hey guys, this time I didn't give up. I followed through and made this sewing machine wig. It ain't perfect, but I think it's cute, you guys. Yes. Now let me turn it the right way. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I cut the baby hairs off section and plucked the edges. This is the final look, you guys. I want to keep this wig myself for me, but I made it for someone else, and I can't keep it. But I did try it on. There we go. Look at that. And I didn't, of course, I didn't put it all the way down. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below. Hit the notification bell. And as usual, stay blessed.